Good day, good afternoon, good evening to you all, wherever you are. Welcome, and as of today, I will be practicing my Morse code through the Wheel of Names. So you can see I put the entire alphabet there, and I will be trying to express through Morse code whatever letter I get. Let's go. And so I got Z. Z is beep, 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 beep. It would be 2 dashes, then 2 dots. Let's see. As you can see, I did get it right. C was 2 dashes, 2 dots. It would be pretty counterintuitive to simply repeat the same letter, so I'm going to put it out of there and move on to the next letter. The next letter is L. L is beep, 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 beep. It would be 1 dot, 1 dash, 2 dots. Let's see if it's true. It is true. L is 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dash, 2 dots. As you may know, we're going to remove it since it's pretty counterintuitive to just repeat the same letter. And we go on to the next one. Hell no. Oh, it's a pretty simple one. I think this is one of the first ones I learned. It's beep, beep, beep. It's 3 dashes. Pretty sure I got it right. Quite effectively, I did get it right. O is 3 dashes. Moving on to the next letter. And there we have R. R is beep, beep, beep. It is 1 dot, 1 dash, 1 dot. Truly, the similarities to the serious face are quite unforgettable. And so we remove it, and we keep going. And we get a pretty simple one if you ask me. Beep, beep. It is 1 dot, 1 dash. In that very order. Truly 1 dot, 1 dash. To continue this small practice, I am going to be listening to a bunch of randomized letters, and I think there are some phrases mixed in here that are in Morse code, and I'm just going to pick a random one, and I'm going to listen it and try to figure it out. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. That would be 3 dots. Beep, 3 dots. 3 dots and 1 dash. I think so. Yes, 3 dots and 1 dash. That would be, I think, V. I think that would be V. I'm going to check it out. Effectively, V is 3 dots and 1 dash. I quite honestly picked it randomly. I for a second had absolutely no idea. So they are in order, but they're not identified on the list I have. So if I just move them up and down and I don't see the start or the finish, I really have no idea which is which. So, which is exactly what I'm doing. There's one here. Right here. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. That would be F. Beep, 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 beep. That would be F. since it's two dots and one dash, then two dots. And quite precisely, that is F. Two dots, one dash, one dot. It's a bit hard since I have to remember each and every single one. And I really do need to speed this up, but I think I'm doing well since I actually do remember them. I know that V and F were some of the letters that I did struggle with, but either way, I'm gonna pick another random one. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. That would be D. That is two dots, one dash. Beep beep beep. That would be D. Effectively, one dash, two dots is D. So that's pretty much one of my practices. Thanks a lot, and see you later.